Good morning, everyone. Today's video is different. It is going to be a vlog, so my very first vlogging video, and it's going to be like a day in a life. I'm going to bring you along with me for today. We do have some plans to go out and have a late lunch with our son for his birthday. His birthday is next week, so we're going to go out and celebrate with him today for lunch. So I just got up, washed my face, brushed my teeth, and started applying my skincare routine. So yesterday I got up with like 10 minutes to spare before my meeting. I overslept. And so I only had time to like wash my face. I didn't do any skincare. I think I may have put on a little bit of moisturizer, but that was it. And my skin, like you could literally tell the difference. My skin was so dull and dry yesterday. So this morning I wanted to go in a little extra with the skincare just to bring back some of that moisture, you know, to plump my skin and to revitalize it. So please, please, please don't skip out on your skincare. It makes a world of a difference. I went in with the Fenty Beauty Fat Water, and I went in with the Paula Choice liquid exfoliant. I love this stuff. Makes a world of a difference when it comes to the texture of your skin. And then I went in with the Ordinary hyaluronic acid. So I'm letting that kind of soak into the skin really well before I go in with my next two products. And those will be another Paula Choice serum, and this is the discoloration repairing serum. So this is really good for dark spots. And listen, like, for real, I am not even exaggerating. I tried this a few months ago. I had a dark spot right here. It was a line on my forehead right here, and then I think I had like a dark spot somewhere on the face. And I tried this. Instantly I saw a difference. The next day I saw a difference, and I'm like, wait, my mind must be playing tricks on me. But y'all, I kid you not, this stuff works. It is pricey. It is expensive, but it works. It is worth it. And I don't really be saying that when it comes to skincare. Like, I don't think you should have to pay those ridiculous amounts. I don't think you should have to pay a ridiculous amount of money for skincare to have nice skin. And I've tried a lot of different products, expensive ones, drugstore ones, and I feel like I found some really good, affordable drugstore products that works just as well for my skin as the expensive one. And then I'm going to finish up with a moisturizer and a sunscreen. Please, ladies, don't forget your sunscreen. It helps prevent the dark spots, so please use your sunscreen. Today I'm just going to use the e.l.f. moisturizer because it is moisturizer and sunscreen all in one, so I don't have to go in with a second product. And this is what I do when I'm just like, you know, running tight on time, or if I just don't feel like doing one additional step. So, and get an ample amount because you want to make sure you're getting enough coverage from the sunscreen. So get an ample amount. Don't worry, just rub it all in like this and then let it sit, you know, for a little while. The excess you can just rub on your hands. You have to protect your hands as well and your neck. So I just usually let that soak in for a couple of seconds, and then I go back in and continue to rub until I'm satisfied with how my face feels and how much the product has dissolved into my skin. So there we go. That is my skincare. I did put a little bit of Aquaphor on my lips this morning just because they were so dry. So I do have that on the lips at the moment. But yeah, that is my skincare. Let me go and grab some breakfast, and I'll check back in with you later. Okay guys, I am back. It's time to get dressed. I did pick out an outfit, and actually my husband was the deciding factor in the outfit that I chose. So I will show you what that is once I'm done. So I'm going to do a little bit of makeup, not too much, just something really light, and freshen up my hair, and then we're going to put our clothes on. Okay, I think that's the look for the hair. And we can go ahead and put on our jewelry. I'm going to wear our Louis Vuitton hoops. So we're going to do the hoops. And we're going to layer on some necklaces. So starting with this C initial, this is going to be the longer one. And then we're going in with our Louis Vuitton V necklace. Then lastly, we're going to go in with this choker necklace. And then we're going to go in with our gold Movado watch. So, that on. So let's go ahead and put some lotion on these hands because, girl, they are dry. I think we're gonna also put on a gold bangle bracelet too on this arm. So 1 second. Here's our gold bracelet. Yes. And now let's go ahead and put on our outfit. We're gonna go with these long wide leg denim jeans by Express and a white button down Ralph Lauren polo shirt. For fragrance, we're gonna put on our YSL Libre. You know how much I'm obsessed with this stuff. Okay guys, so we have our outfit on. Let me give you a quick look. Close up on the jewelry. So yeah, so now we're going to grab a handbag. First, let's pick some sunglasses. We're gonna go with these. We're gonna go with the brown for the show. Sunglasses and handbag. We're gonna go with the Louis Vuitton. So let's go ahead and put our essentials in our bag. Have our Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet, Louis Vuitton card holder, and we're going to take our Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch. So we have our bag packed, we have our sunglasses. So let's go see if babe is ready. Okay, babe's ready. What are you wearing?
I just got some standard little blue jeans. I got a nice little paisley shirt, you know, mixed with the blues and light blues, dark blues, and the whites, kind of accenting the shoes.
Okay.
The shoes I got from Finish Line. These are your old Nikes, you know. I had to kind of go old school, but with the new school flair.
Okay.
I got a knitted white ivory crew cut. You know, I don't know what that's called. Maybe like a cardigan or something like that. Cardigan material, but not cardigan.
Okay.
And I'm not rocking any jewelry today. I don't have the watch other than the ring. Gotta have that.
Okay.
But I don't have the watch because you won't see it. But I was getting ready to flare it out a little bit with that. But nah, I'm not doing it. This is just enough. Just a little bit of tail end. You know, a little front tail end, a little bit of back. You know, so. That's it. And got just my normal little shades with the silver rim on it. Okay. Accenting the ring.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. Thank you. All right.
Peace.
All right, guys, we're going to head out now. So we just pulled up to the restaurant. We're at the Blue Dolphin in Crofton, and we're just waiting for our son to arrive. He should be about 10 minutes away. So we're just gonna sit and wait in the car until exactly 3 o'clock because that's when we have our reservation. So hopefully they will have the table ready and our son will be here. So
yes, because I'm hungry. I need to eat now.
He stay hungry. Stay hungry. All right, so we'll check back in once we get in the restaurant. Kobe, can you say hi to the vlog?
Going on.
Let's see what he's looking at. Okay.
First of all, she randomly started calling me best friend one day. This time I did that. All right, so real quick, just wanted to tap in because I'm looking too OC right now. Fitted going crazy. Corduroy going crazy. Oh my God. Got the Persian rug on me. Oh my God. You see the shade? Hold on. Do you see the shades? Oh my God.